Hi, I'm Sam from Fine & Country. Welcome today to South Leicestershire, where behind me sits Frolesworth Lodge Farm, a beautiful rural property with 8.5 acres of land and woods to wander. Come with me and we'll take a good look round. Frolesworth Lodge Farm is a beautifully restored farmhouse nestling in the glorious Leicestershire countryside. Just a stone's throw from the charming village of Frolesworth, this exceptional period home has been beautifully and sympathetically modernised by the current owners. Parts of the farmhouse date originally back to the 1600s, and it offers a wealth of character features. The owners have meticulously restored and extended the existing house with a delightful mix of contemporary and modern features. From the dining room, there's a door that leads to the bespoke kitchen breakfast room, with a large island unit and granite work surface, together with 2 sets of double glazed doors that lead to the rear decking. The sitting room is particularly delightful. This forms part of a recent extension. There are 5 double bedrooms, and there's 2 ensuite bathrooms and a beautifully refitted family bathroom. The stunning master bedroom has beautiful views of the gardens, and the windows provide 180-degree views of the plot and neighbouring fields. A particular feature of this delightful period home is its outside facilities. Direct access to a large, over 1,300 square foot barn, the attractive Nordic cabin, where people can sit and entertain and cook with the internal barbecue. You join me in the delightful gardens of the Frolesworth Lodge farmhouse, where we have a beautiful area to entertain guests and enjoy the summer months, plus a further 5 acres of paddocks and close to 3 acres of spinney and woodland. If you'd like to join us on an exclusive viewing, please call us on the details that are about to follow.